today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Zendesk. If you spend long hours in the agent workspace, dark mode can make a real difference by reducing glare, easing eye strain, and giving your interface a sleek, focused look that's great for late nights or low-light environments. Start by opening your Zendesk agent workspace and looking to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This is usually a small circular image or your initials. Click that profile icon to open your personal menu. This menu is where Zendesk keeps quick access to your individual preferences, so it's the best place to adjust how things look and feel without changing anything for the rest of your team. In the menu that appears, select Display. Think of Display as your appearance settings for the agent workspace. This is where Zendesk groups options that affect how the interface is presented to you, so you can tailor the environment to be more comfortable and easier on your eyes. Inside Display, choose Dark Mode. The change takes effect immediately. You'll see the background shift to deeper tones, with text and interface elements adjusting for readability. Panels, ticket lists, and conversation threads will maintain their structure, but the dark backdrop can make content stand out more cleanly and reduce the overall brightness coming from your screen. This setting applies to your personal view of the agent workspace. It won't alter what your customers see in your help center or affect how other teammates view their own screens. Zendesk typically remembers your preference, so the next time you sign in on the same account, your workspace should remain in dark mode unless you decide to switch back later. A couple of tips to get the most out of it. After enabling dark mode, take a moment to glance through your main workflows. Open a few tickets, scan your views, and check any colored labels or priority indicators. Dark mode can change the way colors appear, and this quick check helps you confirm everything stays clear and readable for the way you work. If you work across multiple monitors, you might also lower your display brightness slightly. Dark mode often feels best with a modest brightness level that keeps contrast crisp without over-illumination. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, selecting Display, and choosing Dark Mode, you can instantly give Zendesk a look that's easier on the eyes and more comfortable for long sessions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new workspace view.